Should you review your Medicare Part D drug plan for the upcoming year? Who should review it? Who shouldn't review it? And what are the important steps and dates to be aware of? So that way you can ultimately save money when it comes to your Medicare coverage. I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, an independent consultant helping our clients easily navigate Medicare rules and insurance company options to save themselves money while still having fantastic health insurance. I'm going to send you some extra resources in the comment section below so you have more of a shortcut when it comes to Medicare to do what's right and best for you. So, should you review your Medicare Part D drug plan? And the answer is this. The only people who should not be reviewing their Medicare Part D drug plan is if you take no medications and your Medicare Part D monthly premium is less than, say, $5 a month, possibly lower than that, based on our current Part D plans. But everyone else should be reviewing your Medicare Part D drug plan. Even if you just take one generic, review your Medicare Part D drug plan, okay? So again, everyone basically should be reviewing your Medicare Part D drug plan. Now, if you have never been on a Medicare Part D drug plan before, and you don't have an Advantage plan with prescription drug coverage, it's important to take a look at these plans. But again, if you're on a Part D plan, you should be reviewing your plan for the upcoming year. So there's some important dates to be aware of when it comes to reviewing your Medicare Part D drug plan. Now, most of you can only change your Medicare Part D drug plan between October 15th and December 7th of every single year. The plans are officially announced on October 1st, and then you have from October 15th through December 7th to review those plans and find your best plan for the calendar year. The new plan that you enroll in will begin January 1st. If you do not enroll in a new plan, your existing plan will roll over into the new year unless your existing plan is not being offered in the new calendar year, okay? So it's really important between October 15th and December 7th to review these plans and find the best and the right one for you. So what should you be looking out for? I want you to look at all the things related to your costs. So what drives your costs? The easiest one to see is your Medicare Part D monthly premium. Did it go up? Did it go down? Did it stay the same? What's the deductible? Did it go up? Did it go down? Did it stay the same? What happened to your medication tiers and their copays? Did your copay and tier go up, or did it go down? Or did it stay the same? Are any of your medications now requiring prior authorization or step therapy requirements, which could impact your paperwork and access to your medications? I also want to see how is your pharmacy covered? Is it still preferred? Has it gone from standard to preferred or preferred to standard? Or is it not in the network at all? Those are the important things to be looking at when it comes to your Medicare Part D drug plan so you understand the actual implications for you when it comes to your medication costs. Now, I'm recording this at the end of 2024. So in 2023, 66% of our clients changed Part D plans for the upcoming calendar year, and on average saved over $2,000. So my point is this, these changes aren't little. They can be significant, and so please do not overlook this opportunity. Again, most of you can only change your Part D drug plan between October 15th and December 7th. So please be thoughtful, review it, and do the right thing. So how do you make these changes? Again, you're going to want to review your plan as well as all the other opportunities or all the other plans that you have available to you. Once you pick that right plan, you can enroll in the new plan. You can enroll in that plan directly through Medicare.gov, which I tend to recommend. What we find is that most insurance agents don't like helping or enrolling, or at least doing a thorough analysis to find you the best Medicare Part D drug plan, because the commissions on Part D plans tend to be quite low. It's not their fault, but it's how the insurance industry has set it up. So do your own research if you're not having another expert do it for you to fully understand which plan is best for you. Some of these plans for the new year offer no commission at all, so you'll not be hearing about them from an insurance agent or broker. So please be thoughtful, get that right Medicare Part D drug plan. It is a big deal, and don't miss this small window. All right, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, here to help you easily make your right Medicare decision.